Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make construction lines in Autocad. These infinite lines are incredibly useful for precise drafting and layout. You can easily access this powerful tool by typing X-line into your command line and pressing Enter. This command is your gateway to creating accurate guides for your designs, ensuring everything aligns perfectly. It's a fundamental skill for any Autocad user. Once you've initiated the X-line command, you have several options. To create a perfectly horizontal line, simply type H and press Enter, then click a point on your drawing. For a vertical line, type V and press Enter, then select a point. These two options are fundamental for establishing clear, straight references across your entire drawing, making alignment tasks much simpler and more efficient for your design work. Beyond horizontal and vertical, you can also create angled construction lines. After typing X-line, choose the A option for angle, then input your desired angle, for example 45 degrees. Additionally, the B option allows you to bisect an existing angle, creating a line that perfectly divides it into two equal parts. This is incredibly helpful for symmetrical designs and complex geometric layouts, providing precise angular guidance. Another powerful feature is the offset option. After starting X-line, select O for offset, then specify a distance, perhaps 10 units. This creates a new construction line parallel to an existing one at that exact distance. Remember, construction lines are non-plotting, meaning they won't appear on your printed drawings. For better organization, always use dedicated layers for your X-line, allowing you to easily toggle their visibility as needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.